Do a full clean. What I'm going to do first, just to illustrate how to clean the objective completely, is I'll put another, hopefully very small drop of oil onto this objective here. Here we are. All right, you can see the drop forming at the bottom. All right, you can lower it down. There it goes, wicking across. Okay. Now, in order to make my life a little bit easier, I am going to remove the stage insert just so I have full access to the objective as so. All right, now what we're going to do, to remove all the oil, again, we get our lens tissue, get it one piece, set it on here like so, give it a moment, and then just start wicking it across or start dragging it across. We just want to remove that excess just like that. Perfect. Great. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to grab one of our micro denier swabs. They're just little paddles. They look like this. They're in a white and green plastic bag. The purpose of these swabs is to remove the tacky oil. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get either lens cleaner or use our little squeeze bottles of ethanol and actually put several drops on here. Okay, so I'll just turn this over. I'll use the lens cleaner for right now. It's also a Nikon product, which I happen to have. Okay, so I just get it moist. It's not too bad, right? And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to set this onto the objective. I'm not pushing down, letting gravity do the work. And then I turn this in one direction 4 or 5 times, flip it over, let gravity be our friend, do the work, and turn it for us again. I do this because the Nikon oil is quite tacky and it's hard to get off with just lens paper. Then I use the same paddle if needs be, and I go around, make sure I get everything out of the well in case there was any oil there. Then the last step is to grab another piece of lens paper, and this time make sure we're using the ethanol. And again, you may not be able to use the dropper bottle if it's not in the room. You may need to use a squeeze bottle. We're going to put one drop on, as you can see. Let it sit there for a moment. I usually give it like a 3 count or a 5 count, and then just drag in one direction. All we're doing is removing if we use the lens cleaner, like any sort of soap or surfactant that was on there, and then we're just getting rid of as much of any of the remnants as we can to make a nice clean objective for the next person. All right, and that is everything. Lower the objective back down if you raise it up. Make sure you put the stage insert in place. If you had dropped oil onto the stage insert or have any gunk, make sure you clean that and treat the objectives well. You'll appreciate it when you come in and you get to use a clean objective, and so will the person after you. All right, thank you.